Okay, we are going to do the old review, which is usually when you're accenting the syllables, the accent is usually on the main root word, not the prefixes or the suffixes. So, for example, when we see this word, maybe you'll see it, what is the prefix and what is the base word? The prefix is un, the base word is do. So, if we know that prefixes and suffixes are not usually accented, then the do will get the accent and it's undo. And with the next one, we know shun is a suffix, and if we have, so that means we will accent the first syllable of the base, which is situation. Okay? Now you can write the word inside. Go ahead and divide it into syllables and show the accent marks. And this is what you should have written. So you have a prefix, you have the root word. The prefix does not get accented, but the root word does. So it's inside. Your next word is before. 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 And this is what you should have written. B is the prefix, for is the root. Divide between the two syllables. For is accented. Before. All right. The next, or the new review that we worked on was that if you have the prefixes D, re, X, in, po, pro, or a, if those are the first syllable of a word, then it is usually not accented. Okay? So, for example, when we look at this, we can see that it has the EX in the beginning, so it is not going to get the accent. We have these two syllables to look at. We divide it here. So we have X, and then we have pen and sieve. If this doesn't get the accent, then our next choice is to accent this syllable. So it's expensive, expensive. Okay, the next word, okay, our flag should be that it starts with the DE. So the DE is not going to get accented. And if we divide the rest of the word into syllables, we look at the RT is a blend that goes together. So we divide here. This is also a suffix. So the root is here and it's going to get the accent mark. Department. Department. Okay, now I'd like you to try the word apartment. 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 Divide and put the accent mark. All right, this is what you should have written. If not, make the changes. Cross it out and rewrite it 3 times. Divide it here and here, and the accent mark goes here. The next word that you need to write is potato. Potato. 3 syllables. And this is what you should have written. All right. New skill. Sometimes we have 2 vowels that come together in a word in the last syllable. So that means that if the 2 vowels are in that second syllable, then that's the syllable that will get accented. So, for example, when we look at this word, we have to go ahead and divide it first of all so we know where the syllables break. Okay? So we underline our vowels. There's 2 vowels together. That should be a clue to you right there. We're going to do the vowel consonant PL as a blend, consonant vowel, divide between the two syllables. So we know that the first syllable is come and the second syllable is plain. Our rule is if it has two vowels together in the second syllable, that is the syllable that will be accented. So you put the accent mark, complain. Another word is conceal. Remember the first, if a C is followed by an EI or Y, it makes this sound. So then we'll also divide the word. Again, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We have two vowels together, so that should make us put a red flag up in our mind. Divide between the two consonants. We have con and we have seal. Because of the two vowels, then this syllable gets accented and it's conceal. Not conceal, conceal. All right, now you need to give it a shot with the word request. Request. And this is what you should have written. Divide here, and the accent goes back here. The word is pronounced request, not request. It's request. The next word that you need to write is explain, explain, explain. And it should be written like this, written like this. Divide here, and that gets the accent, explain. And that's it.